English for TKE students, answering a sample test, phonology. English for TKE students, sample paper 1. Questions 22 to 29. Your trainer is Jayatissa Athordahetty. 4 questions 22 to 29. Look at the 2 vowel sounds in each word. Match the vowel sounds in the words with the pairs of phonemic symbols listed A to I. Mark the correct letter I on your answer sheet.
Now let's come to question number 22 to 29. This is totally based on phonology. You must have the phonemic symbols in your mind to answer a question like this. Okay, let's read. For questions 22 to 29, look at the 2 vowel sounds in each word. Look at the 2 vowel sounds in each word. Each word has 2 vowel sounds. Match the vowel sounds in the words with the pairs of phonemic symbols listed A to J. Listed A to J. Right? Mark the correct letter A to J, A to not J, I on your answer sheet. There is one extra option which you do not need to use. Okay? Right. All what you have to do is to read the word carefully, and then there are 2 vowel sounds, and on the opposite side, the second column, right hand side column, phonemic symbols are given. So you will have to choose. Let's come to the first one, that is question number 22. In question number 22, the word is, what is the word? Curly. Curly. Now you listen to it carefully. Curly. What are the 2 vowel sounds? What are the 2 vowel sounds? Try to distinguish the sound. Curly. K is not a vowel sound. K, not a vowel sound. K, li. K, li. Then there are 2 sounds. What are the 2 sounds? And when we say li, E sound. How do you write a sound? When we say bird, this is a. This is a. E sound, this is E. Right? Can you find these 2 somewhere? Where can you find them? A and E. Where? E. Just check. Here. Last one, I. I has these 2, A and E. So this is curly. So how do you write curly? K, L, E. This is how curly is written. If you check with the dictionary, you will see it like this. And you can check with the phonemic chart as well. Right? So that is curly. I shall clean it. E. So the answer to question number 22 is I. Then question number 23. Question number 23. What is the word? Say it. Say it. How do you pronounce it? Over or over. Over. What is the correct pronunciation? Now in Sri Lanka, and most of us say over. If it is over, O sound is this is O sound. But this is not over. Not O, it is over. 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 The correct pronunciation is over. So, what is, how do you write O? Over. Over. Is this, not over. 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 Right? Over. That's the correct pronunciation. But if you have the wrong pronunciation in your mind, it is difficult for you to find it. Right? Many people say over. O-N, lone, O-N, That's wrong. This is over. Over. So listen to more English and listen to good English so that you will be able to learn this. Over. This is the correct. So where is it? Let's see. Over. At the very beginning. A. Over. Over. A is the correct answer. Over. Okay, now let's come to question number 24. 24. Right. How do you pronounce this word? I don't pronounce it. You pronounce it and try to find out the answer. The word is this. I don't pronounce it. Right. How do you pronounce it? And what are the two vowels there? Can you tell me your answer one by one? Let's see. What must be the answer? Don't worry about the mistakes, right? Mistakes are important and you can learn from your mistakes. Yes. What is it? J. G. G is E. U. G. U. G. Let's see. How do you pronounce the word? First pronounce the word. Village. So when you say village, here no. If you choose this one, now that one is E. So if you say V is correct, and this one is correct. Village. If you say village, A is this, A is this. So village or village or village. This, if you use village, it is this and this. If you say village, then village. But you have used this. This pronunciation is village. So what is the correct pronunciation? Is it G? Is it there is no this one, right? ENA is not there. So what do you think is your answer? Well, of course this is correct, right? But the pronunciation is village, not village. But in Sri Lanka many says village. It is not village, it's village. Village. So these are the two vowels. This is the correct answer. Village. If you refer to the dictionary, you will find it. Village. Right? Okay. So let's come to next question. I will give you a lesson. I will revise the lesson after this.
Learn online English.
Small group classes.
For
Beginners.
school children.
Office workers.
Cambridge TKT for teachers.
Call us on 07142473341.
Or WhatsApp your detail.
Then 25 PAPER. PAPER. What is the correct pronunciation? What are the two vowel sounds in this? PAPER. PAPER. What is it? I don't say. You pronounce it and find it out. Yes. PAPER. P-A-P-E-R. Did you do that? What is it? H. You? H. Others? Right. What is in H? You see, is this in H? A. This is my pronunciation. Paper. This is not paper. This is paper. Paper. This is a diphthong sound that is also vowel. A, two vowel sounds. A. Paper. 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 Is this in H? Where is H? A. Right. So your answer is correct. Paper. It must be paper. Okay? Right. Then let's come to question number 26. This one. Okay. Now try this. How do you pronounce this word, and what are the vowel sounds? Yes? What are the two vowel sounds? What are the phonemic symbols? Let's see. How do you say this? Many people say homework. Work is okay. Work. There is a sound. This part has a. Right? Here, is this home or home? Home or home? The correct pronunciation is O. Homework. So C is that. Your answer is correct. Homework. 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 It's not homework, but many say homework, homework. But for teachers like you must know the correct pronunciation, right? Let others say homework, but you try to practice and use homework. Homework. O. So then let's come to next one. Learner. 27. 27. I shall clean this. Learner. Look at the word carefully and try to pronounce it. How do you pronounce it? Learner. Yes, Kavindi, what did you write? Learner. D. Is there, no? This one. Second vowel. We don't say learner, right? Learner. This one. It is learner. Learner characteristics. Learner needs. Learner needs. We don't say learner needs. Learner needs. Short a sound is there. Learner needs. Learner autonomy. Right? Learner. Then let's come to 28. 28 is NIGHTCLUB. 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 This word, very familiar word. Everybody knows this. What's it? Night club. Night club. So what are the sound? Night club. Night. When we say night, I is there. I. How do you write I? This is I. Club. Not a. Cut, but, like that. This is I and a. Night club. Where is it? It is F. It is F. Night club. Night club. I hope you all can understand it. Then let's come to the other one. The other one is the last one, BABY, that is question 29. BABY, BABY. Okay, so how do you pronounce it? Baby, baby, baby. But many say baby, not baby, not A. Everybody knows that in English there is no A sound. Instead they use diphthong sound A. Many times I taught you that, right? In English there is no A. Although we say table, make, cake, they are all wrong. They must be cake, table, day, right? So A should be there. Here bay, A, bay, then baby, B is this. Is there a set of sound like that? Where? B, A-E, baby, baby. So there are 8 questions. How many of you got all 8 correct? Excellent. So you have to learn the phonemic chart first. All what you have to do is study the phonemic chart. But only one part of the lesson is tested here. Only the identification of phonemic symbols. Right? But in some questions they will talk about word stress, that also comes under phonology, sentence stress, right? Everything will be tested. Intonation, right? Here the question is totally based on phonemic symbols, the pronunciation.
Learn online English.
Small group classes.
4.
Beginners.
School children.
Office workers.
Cambridge TKT for teachers.
Call us on 07142473341.
Or WhatsApp your detail. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.